everyone, I'm Annie Richards, your Chester River keeper at Shore Rivers. It's December, and looking back over the year, there's so much that we're grateful for, both from our rivers and what our communities have done for them. Our ability to swim in our rivers shouldn't be taken away because of pollution. That's why at Shore Rivers, we're working to make sure waterways are fishable, swimmable, and accessible for everyone. And we're doing that work all over the watershed. We believe that access is physical and informational. Everyone deserves a chance to recreate in our beautiful rivers, and everyone deserves the chance to know that the rivers they're swimming in are safe. Our water quality monitoring programs give us authentic seats at the table. Whether that's working with policymakers at the state level to make smart policy changes for our local waterways, or whether that's targeting restoration efforts in land areas that have the most acute pollution. Our programs also help us authentically engage communities that historically have been disconnected from our waterways. Will you join me, Shore Rivers, and the thousands of stewards working to stand strong for clean water on the Eastern Shore? Thank you, and happy holidays.